From a broker owner perspective, as I mentioned in an earlier segment, now I can be with other broker owners that have the same interests that I do, growing their business, bringing in more agents, selling more houses. I didn't have that support group in my prior life. Now I can call one of hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of broker owners previously and talk at that level and take all those things we don't have to do anymore as broker owners with that legal liability and all the expenses we had and do so much more with it. Not only in growing our own business, but growing the rest of the agents that we're working with and pouring into on a regular basis. And as an agent, it's about the same. Every brokerage struggles to provide systems that are current and high tech. And I'm an old tech guy, 20 years prior to real estate. Technology changes every year. It gets twice as fast and half as expensive. It's called Moore's Law. Technology and software is very similar to that. Agents see the next shiny object and they want it. They go to their broker and say, can we have it? No, I can't afford it. That was the old way of doing business. And this company, and I owe it to our founder, Glenn Sanford, he has found some of the best tools out there. And those tools are allowing agents to sell more houses, make more money, and do so more simply and efficiently in their day-to-day activities.